Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about IC engine. Before know the IC engine, first of I will discuss about what is engine, then what is heat engine. Engine called engine is a device which converts one form of energy into another form of energy is known as engine. For example, suppose this is a fan. Electricity provided by the fan will be rotated. Then convert which energy? Mechanical energy. Electrical energy যদি আমরা কনভার্ট করিবা ফ্যান রোটেট ହେଲା ପରେ କ'ଣ ହେବ ଆମକୁ କୋଉ ଏନର୍ଜି ଆସିବ mechanical energy. That process is known as engine. Okay, got it? Next, second one is what is heat engine? Heat engine is a device which converts energy by means chemical energy into mechanical energy is known as heat engine. For example, chemical energy or mechanical energy. Chemical energy means what? Heat. Then engine, petrol or diesel or IC engine or DC engine. In the form of petrol and diesel engine with the help of engine. Which type of engine? That is IC engine or EC engine. There are two types of IC engine. First one is IC engine. Second one is EC engine. IC engine means internal combustion engine. EC engine means external combustion engine. First one is what is combustion? Your air plus fuel mixed जोटा हमरा एयर पर स्पार्क लो जनरेटर मतलब जदि जनरेटर होला परे जोटा ब्लास्ट प्रोड्यूस होची ताको कहै छै कोन combustion. Then what is IC engine? If the combustion take place inside the cylinder is known as IC engine. Suppose this is cylinder or inlet manifold, exhaust manifold, or this is piston or spark plug. Inlet manifold में जो दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर piston का cylinder भीतर को आसिलो पर कोण हमर combustion हो सीना को जाने कोण IC engine. और next EC engine. If the combustion of fuel takes place outside the cylinder is known as EC engine. First IC engine components. First one is what? First one is inlet valve. Second one is exhaust valve. Or third one is inlet manifold. Or fourth one is exhaust manifold. Or fifth one is spark plug. Or sixth one is what? Cylinder. Or seventh is gauge pin. Or 8 is crank pin. Or last one is connecting rod or piston. This is the components of IC engine. Then piston perform the reciprocating motion. That is what piston or rod. Gauge pin it is used to the connecting rod with the help of connecting rod. Classification of IC engine. First one is according to type of ignition. According to type of ignition. According to type of ignition, first one is spark ignition engine. Spark ignition engine. Second one is what? Compression ignition engine. compression ignition engine. Then second one is what? Second one is according to number of stroke. According to number of stroke. According to number of stroke, first one is what? First one is 4-stroke engine. Second one is 2-stroke engine. 4-stroke engine is what? Suction stroke, compression stroke, expansion stroke. Suction expansion stroke को हमें कौन होता है? पावर स्ट्रोक होता है कौचे से है ना. then 2-stroke रे हमारा कौन? 2-stroke होची हमारा कौन? जोटा हमारा suction और exhaust होची हमारा कौन? 2-stroke engine.